Looking for a beachside escape? Look no further, paradise found. Check out these stunning ocean views. This spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is located in the prestigious beach community of Jupiter. Offering a split floor plan with bedrooms on opposite sides of condo for ultimate privacy. Both bedrooms offer 2 queen beds and balconies. Enjoy a cup of coffee overlooking the beach sunrise each morning from the comfort of your own family room or balcony. Primary bedroom offers double sinks and a walk-in shower. Kitchen opens to the dining area and large family room, making it perfect for entertaining. The Corinthians building offers beach access, pool, fitness center, tennis courts, cable, internet, sauna, party rooms and so much more. Close to restaurants, shopping and some of the best beaches that South Florida has to offer.